Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, just playing around. Kind of a fun little easy project, very easily done. Uh, Anybody could draw this. There's several ways you could draw it, but I'm going to use my old standard six-sided polygon and hold down the control button to make it perfect. I am going to take my 2-point line and I'm going to go from the center outwardly. So you need to have object snap to on. You don't have to, but it makes it a lot easier to go to the center. Now we're going to go and make our box. But what we're going to do, we're going to change our distance to 1.25, our nudge distance. And we're going to take this line and Control D and make a duplicate and nudge it down. I hope you see where I'm going. Now we're going to change our nub distance to, well, 10 inches. Let's make it 12. And let's take the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to do different colors this time. Let's do a dark blue. Nudge it over. Change your dark blue to a light blue. Nudge it over. Then just fill that in. And I would make it a gray. Get the interactive fill tool. And you don't really have to do this, but I kind of think it adds to it to make it look like it's kind of darker in there. Then nudge it over. Let's just nudge these out of the way. Nudge this over. Now, if you remember a 1.25 step, so Control G to group this together, and then Control D to nudge it up. And you could go as many as you wanted. And then starting from the bottom, take your in-between one and hit delete. 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 Well, I didn't make enough. Let's go one more. Let's go Control D and make a duplicate. And then delete that one. And it looks like you have tile or blocks or something stacked up and have spaces in between them. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.